Turn number, sir. Just turn number. Eh tayo dyan. Baka kumala tayo sa ibang bansa. Sabi,
Look at the license plates, wow. That's where I used to live. I used to live in Connecticut. Connecticut, I used to live right there. I know.
where's your country?
United States.
Oh.
Those were all, I used to live in New York also. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Gonna make it like new, like brand new. It got dirty. It was in a garage for 6 months. And it got real dirty. Callahan Avenue, just outside of BGC. This is Sunday and it's loaded with traffic. Imagine during the week. This is the best day to get out on the bike, Sunday. Suds on me, wow. Wow, look at this, all sudsed up. There's no way I could do this. These guys are good. This is gonna be like a brand new bike now. Oh yeah. When he rinses it, you can see how really clean it is. Silver is supposed to shine. That's a beauty now. Is that right behind the car wash? Right behind it in the distance is the tallest building in the Philippines. Right there. That's the Grand Hyatt, Manila. So we're just outside of BGC. Leaf blower. A leaf blower to dry it off. Nice. Not easy to dry a bike. There's a lot of nooks and crannies, you know. It's not an easy thing to dry. Boy, it looks like it just came out of the showroom, man. What a difference.